Today we will learn how to program Allen Bradley PLCs without a physics PLC. And for that, we're gonna create a new project on Studios 5000, and we're gonna click new project. And we can select a PLC from this, but like we don't have a physics PLC, we need to use the Studio 5000 Logic Emulate controller. This is an emulate, so we're gonna click that, and the name will be my first project. Okay, next. Revision 35, chassis 7 slot control chassis, slot 2, security authority, no protection, descriptions, learn how to run PLCs without basic PLC. Okay, PLC is good. So we can go back, and in location, this is where my project will be saved, right? We can select another carpet, another folder if you want, no problem with that. So we will click finish. And this is gonna take a while, but meanwhile we can open Factorio. This is where we're gonna simulate our program. We're gonna simulate in 3D. Factorio. It's a practical program to simulate with Studio 5000 like designer. You can practice here. You can simulate a lot of applications, a lot of industrial applications, like if it were real. This is loading. I'm sorry if I aren't all good. I'm doing these videos, these tutorials in Spanish, but I can reach more people, so I need to talk English, and this is the reason I'm doing this in English. So let's do it. My program, my logic design is almost finished. To load. So meanwhile, I can explain this program. Factorio, you can create a real scene. You have conveyors, roller conveyor, turntables, a lot of things you can put it here. and you can configure this, like you go file drivers, you select the driver. In our case, we're gonna select Allen Bradley 5000. So here I wanna put our sensors and actuators. You can personalize your process, or you can select a file that it's already created. You can scenes, and you go. We're gonna start with this one, from A to B. It's an easy program to start with this set of videos. Discard this, and this is a scene already created. We will program that. Okay, it's already loaded, so it's finished. So we're gonna create our ladder program here, and in tags, main program, and main routine. Double click. Okay, how can I communicate with my factory IO? Okay, to communicate with this, I need to go file drivers, Allen Bradley 5000, and this is my sensor and my conveyor. It's only have two inputs, my sensor and an input that it's related with this simulator, and my only input is this one, the conveyor. So we can start to communicate with that. Go to drivers or click F4 and configuration. Our PLC is our computer in this case, because we're doing this simulator. We're working with the simulator, and we need to open Studio 5000 Emulate. Studio 5000 Logix Emulate. We open that. We click yes. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's already loaded. And here we're gonna create a new model. In this case, it's gonna be emulate slot 2, because this is in slot 2. So we click OK. Version 35. Our program is 35.2, and we click next. Finish. For the moment, it's all good. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, we need to be patient in this moment, in this part of the programming. Okay, meanwhile we can start the program. So to communicate with my simulator, I need to add these tags like this: bool in 0, bool in 1, and bool out 0 at my controller, in my controller, right? So my controller tags, I need to create these tags. If I don't create these tags, this won't work, right? The communication won't work. Okay, controller tags, edit tags to create it. So I name it boolean 0, 1, 0. Okay, only in this simulation I have two inputs and one output, right? And the data type needs to be bool in all of them. Okay, description, sensor, sensor, factory, factorial, factorial, and conveyor. Okay, I already create my tags, so now I can work. To communicate, I need to check my IP. Okay. So I need to create another driver and add new. I'm gonna name it control net, right? Control net. Control net. And advanced, I need to put this in. This is my computer and this is my IP. So I'm gonna apply and okay. So here in configuration I need to put the same IP, right? And this is the slot path. This is my slot path, right? So at who active, we need to search my controller. This is my controller at slot 2. In slot 2, this is my controller. Right click mouse, run, and we're gonna download the program later. We need to create the program first. Create the program first here and then return. Okay. I'm gonna put two inputs, my two inputs. My two inputs. I need to click here and put my two inputs. Double click. I select my first input, well, my second input, factorial running. Double click. Sensor. And my output. Double click. Conveyor. Okay. Now we can download my program to my controller. We need to communicate with my controller, and this is the steps to do it. The first one was to add the new driver, whether we did it. So we did it. Now we need to communicate with my controller. This is in slot 2, and we're gonna click set bright path and download. Download. Okay, just starting. It's linking our routine. It's almost done. Maybe there will be an issue. I don't know. It's probably okay. It's not. It's finalizing that one. Okay, it's finished. Okay. We need to change the mode. Change controller mode back to remote run. Okay, yes. Now we're online. Now we need to communicate. So this is all good. Now we need to connect, right? Connect. Okay. This needs to be white. The letter color, the letter color needs to be white. This means it's communicating good. So okay, back to this. Okay, my sensor is on. My sensor is closed because in the simulator this sensor this physical sensor, it's normally closed, so in my PLC gonna detect this signal, right? So if I put input normally open in my program, but in my simulator it's physical, in the physical sensor is normally closed, it's gonna be closed, right? So that's the reason. And industrial processes, normally these sensors are normally closed. These physical sensors are normally closed. You can change it if you want, but normally these physical sensors are normally closed, right? This this facilitates the programming. So we need to play. So it's gonna be closed and the conveyor will work. You can see. Okay, you can see. Okay. Okay, now it's working. When these bugs reach to the sensor, it will be open, right? And my conveyor won't work. Now you can see. Okay, this is my first video from for Allen Bradley PLCs, and how to learn to program Allen Bradley's PLCs without physical PLC, right? And I'm gonna upload more videos like this. I hope you like it. You can subscribe and share, and I will upload more, right? Thank you very much. Welcome to Machinox. This I'm gonna teach you a lot of a lot of application from like this one, right?